This literature kit on the Hunger Games by Suzanne Collins illustrates the power that love for family has with one girl's sacrifice and struggle to survive. Test student comprehension of key vocabulary words found in the story with this resource for grades 7 to 8. 55 pages chocked full of before-you-read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Students look inward and identify any skills they possess that could help provide for their family if needed. Put the events from the story in the order that they happened when Katniss and Peeta are introduced to the Capitol. Describe how Katniss treats Peeta after the interview and explain her motivations behind it. Predict the relationships Katniss will have with Peeta and Gale after she returns to District 12. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Students design their own symbol for Peeta, similar to the mockingjay for Katniss. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3-color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Students weigh events that occur in the story that tip the balance between Katniss losing or winning the games. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.